Hey guys, if you want to make your own tint gel, just press like this stick, which helps you install it very clean. As you can see, no dirt comes inside or anything. It's gonna be really easy and cheap. All I'm using is CMC powder out of Amazon. You can buy it from Amazon around 10 bucks. All you need to do is get a spoon like this, nothing special. And next step, we are thinking to it distilled water. You can mix it. Sometimes you have to wait overnight until it soaked in and you can use it. It doesn't leave any spots. I tinted it, so tested it already. Nothing's happened. As you can see, there's much powder inside this bottle. I added it too much powder in there, and then I put some gel here and then added some water until it soaked in and comes clear, but it doesn't make any difference. You can shake it. Certainly you have to wait until it dries, until it soaks all the water inside and it comes gel. I've already done it, installed it with test window. It was actually better than with tinting gel or baby shampoo. This way was much cleaner and better for kids. Really helpful. All you have to do is wait until it's soaked in and dries, becomes gel. Usually it takes one night. So about the product, it's actually from Amazon. I put the link down below so you can grab it. If you're in USA, it might be different package, or you have to search it. CMC powder. It's for cooking, but it works for tinting as well. You don't have to buy expensive gel or anything. As you can see, it really gel around here. It allows the dirt come out easily, but also you have to use baby shampoo, water, and this gel around the corners. I'm using around these corners, or side windows around this corner and rear window as well. So if you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching.